Lofi, and I am an ics321, and I have created a check-in application. This check-in application uses two databases, one for users and usernames, along with their passwords as well, so that users can log in and out using a password and nobody else can log in as them, as well as a check-in database that stores all the information about your check-in so that the user can check in at certain places. The check-in will use a latitude and longitude that it will get from your computer if you allow it to share its location, and convert that latitude and longitude into an actual street address using one of our the functionality within the application itself. Now let's go to the application. We start off and we have three pages. The first one is the login and registered page, where you can log in as a current user, aka our John Doe here, or we can create a new name like Joe Schmo. And we can register that user. Oh, sorry, we've already got a Joe Schmo. James Brown. James. And so we'll create a password for him as well. All of these login names, along with their passwords, are stored in a database that isn't actually on this site, but we're able to use the services to connect to those and so forth. So we're going to log in. Or sorry, can't log in because the name's brand new. So we're going to register as James Brown. Now, James Brown, then once you register or log in, you move to the check-in page. Within the check-in page, you can use your latitude and longitude to get the closest street location, which we're going to do right now. And we try to get the location. There we go. Once we have the location, we can then check in so that this user can now check in at this location. And that gives when the user has latest checked in. All of these check-ins will be stored in a database as well. That includes their zip code, street address, house number, when they checked in, along with the latitude and longitude at which they checked in. Now, as a user, we're able to check in on the third page all of the latest check-ins from all of our users. You can see here we already have a few users that have been developed during the testing of this application. And we can sort on this page if we want to find by name. We can sort by time. And unfortunately, although I did try to implement it, it was having issues. The distance, for whatever reason, doesn't seem to work. So we're not able to sort by distance. That value is null for everybody else. However, I do hope to get it to work, but right now it isn't. So those are all of our three pages. Our check-ins page, latest check-ins page, a check-in where a user can check in to their location, and a login register page. That's pretty much everything for this whole application, and thank you for checking this out.